Hey everyone, this is Tina with Tina's Fine Arts. It's close to midnight on a Saturday night. I'm just taking you around the studio to show you what it's looking like here towards the end of a painting. It gets messy, as you can see there, and these are some of the paintings coming up for the exhibition on May 9th. The book will be released that day too. So things are really firing up here. I'm excited to tell you my book is in the first round of editing right now. So it's definitely getting busy. These are the paints and brushes and tools. I haven't worked with all those brushes, but most of these paints lately I have. I try to keep them organized here, but I do work in long sessions. And therefore I have to reload my palette quite a bit. Can't show you too much more than this. I do work with paint knives. I've been working with some of these brushes, and I am fascinated. I really am loving the colors. I can show you some of the colors on the painting. There's a little bit more lavender, and see the blue. They're anoculus colors, and they look beautiful together. And I goofed around and made a paper flower with them. I thought it was kind of neat, so I was just playing around. That's it. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the tour, and I'm really excited to show all these new paintings to you May 9th. See you there.